Hello and welcome to How to Draw Stuff. Today we show you how to draw Aang from Avatar The Last Airbender. Avatar Aang is the last surviving airbender and one of the biggest heroes in the show. He has a very distinctive marking on his hairless head and big bright eyes. Get your pencil, pen and paper and follow along. After you've drawn Aang, maybe you'd like to see some other characters from Avatar The Last Airbender. If so, please leave us a comment below and we'll see what we can do. See you next time.